Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious keto waffles step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need almond flour, a couple of eggs, some cream cheese, and a touch of baking powder. Having everything at room temperature helps create a smooth batter. This recipe is perfect for a quick, low-carb breakfast or a satisfying snack. Get ready to enjoy a guilt-free treat that's both easy and incredibly tasty. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, whisk together your eggs and softened cream cheese until the mixture is completely smooth. Then, slowly add in the almond flour and baking powder. Mix everything gently until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Overmixing can make your waffles tough, and we want them light and fluffy. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect keto waffle consistency. Time to cook. Preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. Lightly grease it if necessary to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/3 of a cup of batter onto the hot iron for each waffle. Close the lid and let them cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. The aroma alone will make your mouth water, promising a delightful breakfast. Here are some tips and variations to elevate your keto waffles. Feel free to add a dash of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon to the batter for extra flavor. Serve them with your favorite sugar-free syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. They are incredibly versatile. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your delicious keto waffles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.